Hi, I am Saket Tadukia. The best part about this lift is my house is constructed like 40 years back and there's no space for any other lift. And this lift provides me with a solution that I can install the lift within my house in a very small space. It doesn't take too much of space and it has become very easy to commute. Actually, 3 years back, the doctors told me my wife has some knee issue, so it's totally prohibited for her to use stairs. And since I stay in first floor and my parents stay in ground floor, so it's becoming difficult for us to commute up and down. And my parents are also getting old; they also want to visit my floor, but it's not possible. So now it's very easy for us to meet. So I am happy as of now. It looks beautiful. It enhances the look of the house. That's all I can say. I have a small child, even he uses the lift, but there's no hassle as such. It's safe because it has it's within the house, there's security as well, so it's very safe, I would say. As I told, my wife has got knee issues, so the doctor prohibited her from taking the stairs. So she used to come only once a day to meet my parents and all. Now she can come as many times as she wants. Even my parents can go upstairs whenever they want. So it's very easy now.